Wouldn't call them crispy, but they're definitely not underdone.
That's good.
We got the Gangu. We got the Reinhardt. What's up, y'all? Did I already say that? I don't think so.
No.
I don't know if I trust a gold Reinhardt though.
Yeah, seriously. So I have 3 tanks.
Yeah, for real.
This one's gonna suck.
Nice. We actually got a decent squad here. Oh, Vazra apparently didn't want to be in the voice channel. This is gold Reinhardt. It's probably pretty close to platinum, I think. It's gotta be.
Not if he's playing with his bros.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize the diamond was one of them. He is currently a diamond as well. Not even fake diamond. Oh, he's pretty close, 2462.
Yeah, he's had a terrible Reinhardt.
Yeah.
Now that I think about it.
When he got a gold hammer, I was like, what?
I'm gonna charge in with my gold hammer. Yeah.
Oh, get animated right away. They don't have animate now though. Oh, they got Sim.
You got Sam now.
No, they're only going to double thing. Gotta get that diva out of position.
My heals. Yes.
Reinhardt's gotta lead us in. That's another reason I don't like gold Reinhardt. Ah.
Breaker mech. Ah.
This May's gonna try to wall us in. Alright, there goes our wall. Let's push after this.
And Jeff, what's your ult?
Charge in. Bad time. All background's dead.
Support center stuff with you.
I'll try and kill him.
We're gonna have a telly up pretty soon.
My ultimate is charged.
Goes Zen. That's big.
Eva, you gotta fly over the building on the left side.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Just get their distraction off the front.
Bear is down. Wall's up. Roll out, roll out.
Almost to the fences.
Fuck me. What happened? Where did everyone go? I guess I should know. Should die. There's a Winston to play.
There you go, Diva. Sit on the point and then we're turning around.
There goes our best healer.
Okay, McCree heading your way. Get ready. Okay, they don't have it.
That's Metro.
They still most of the fences.
Try and get on point.
Yeah,
one
go,
sec.
go, go.
Slept. My Roadhog's not doing shit.
Switch it up, dude.
Yeah. Sorry.
Together, we are strong.
I am ready to activate the sound barrier.
Come with me, I got sound there.
Alright. The wall's down.
Oh, wow.
finally teleported.
Rolling in. Get in there, baby.
Baby diva. And like,
So good. Oh my god. Symmetra's too good now. Can't do anything.
yeah.
Hey, something's gotta change.
Yeah.
I was just outplayed.
Score 0-0. Switching sides. Select your hero.
Do some mana.
Can we not triple tank, please?
Why not? I guess it didn't work, but
Yeah, I don't know. That's probably better. His road's probably bad anyways.
yeah. Mine wasn't very good. I didn't get a single kill. There's nothing to kill though. Everything is fucking invincible.
Yeah. I should.
Yeah, I should have switched earlier.
Did we have a soldier?
I don't know.
That's probably what we needed.
Yeah, I think eventually one of them switched to soldier.
Fair, might actually been good just to fly over.
Yeah, they didn't. I don't think I. Oh yeah, Pharah was the pick. I should have done that. 'Cause I didn't have anything to shoot him down. I only got soldier.
There are procedures we could look into to return your eye. Very kind. But I'm comfortable with who I am now. It's a good reminder.
Get in there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Why is he so far back?
I don't know. Gold round.
This is going to hurt.
Give on the right.
But it's going to be okay.
Nice.
It's just a scratch. You'll be fine. The pain. You're covered.
Yeah, that ult fast. Diva.
You're going to be okay.
Oh no.
Nano boost almost ready.
Hog on the left.
Hog sleeping on the left.
Watching your back. They're taking the objective. Hold it out of hand. You're powered up. Get in
In
there.
there, Ryan. Right on the point.
The objective is under.
Ryan, anti-heal on point.
My servants never die. It's just a scratch. You'll be fine.
And my ult just hold out for a couple seconds.
Go. I'll put you here.
Good job, guys.
Nice.
Saving this mercy.
From the Diva behind
Can't heal you guys.
Watching your back.
Good hold, good hold.
Go. I'll put you here.
Fall back, I gotta reload. Oh no, you're good, no, no.
You're going to be okay. My ultimate is ready.
I was on the left side of the wall.
Ryan's sleeping.
So the rotting north behind you.
Let's fucking go.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
Rolled. Nice. Still got my ult
Still
too.
have my ult.
Yeah, we can nano visor if it gets hairy.
Probably gonna need it.
Yeah. They used a lot of ults for that and they didn't get anything. They wasted their Reinhardt ult. Nice.
What's happening? What? We couldn't kill that?
What the? Fucking Pharah. You still living down there?
Yeah.
Barely.
It's the glory of
Protect the
the
objective.
I don't know when he nanoed. Did he just nano visor? Or just visor?
My servants never die.
Nice, I'm coming in with an ult.
Fuck, that was bad. Timed it poorly.
Get in there.
Winston sleeping. Pharah above.
Nice. Oh!
And I got her. See you.
Final score.
0-0. Classic game. Yeah, I should have switched to Pharah earlier on the first point. I got too obsessed with tanks.
Yeah. Well, different tank might have been fine.
Yeah, Zarya probably would have been better. Or even Winston. Whoa! Clipping through the ceiling there. Oh, what? Nice. Oh, yeah, hammered down. Did you make it back in the mech? We'll never know. Stay tuned next time.
Yeah. I did.
Alright, let me get my water bottle. I don't know where it went. One sec. Oh, thanks, baby. God damn it. Dang.
Damn.
Oh well, can't be mad about a tie.
No, we're still on a winning streak. That was a good tie, too.
Yeah, that was a do or die tie.